Now, this is Mitchell snoring like a pig. Listen. Okay, Brooke. What's he doing, Brooke? What's he doing? I don't know. He's making. Wow. Yo, the funny thing is, this guy's been doing this for the past hour straight of snoring. Wow.